Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is KC, and I share practical styling tips and wardrobe essentials tailored for petite women. Because looking great isn't about following every trend, it's about knowing what truly works for your frame. In our last video, we celebrated the stunning style of 10 petite celebrities and broke down exactly how they work their proportions to look effortlessly chic. Today, we're taking that inspiration one step further by diving into some common fashion mistakes that many petite women unknowingly make, and more importantly, how to correct them. Whether you're mixing trends or trying to refine your everyday look, these tips will help you create a balanced, elongating style that truly flatters your figure. Let's jump right in. After admiring those celebrity looks, it's natural to wonder, how can I achieve a similarly polished, proportionate appearance? The truth is, even with a great wardrobe, certain styling missteps can hinder your overall look. In this video, I'm sharing the 5 most common petite fashion mistakes, along with practical solutions to elevate your style. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to transforming your wardrobe into one that enhances your natural proportions. Mistake 1. Wearing oversized or boxy clothing. The issue: oversized clothing has a way of feeling effortlessly cool, but for petite frames, loose, shapeless pieces can overwhelm your figure. Long, baggy tops, oversized blazers, and drop shoulder sweaters often drown out your natural curves and create an unbalanced look. Why it matters: when the fabric overwhelms your frame, it can make you appear shorter and hide the body's natural lines. Without defined structure, your outfit loses its potential to accentuate your best features. How to fix it? 1. Choose structured pieces. Look for oversized items that are actually designed with shape in mind. Structured, cropped jackets or tailored blazers cinch at the waist, emphasizing your natural curves while still delivering that relaxed vibe. 2. Create contrast. If you love that oversized trend, pair a loose top with slim or tapered bottoms. This balance prevents the outfit from looking too voluminous and keeps your silhouette defined. 3. Tuck it in. A simple front tuck can transform a shapeless top into a figure-flattering piece by defining your waistline and creating a more dynamic silhouette. 4. Add belts. Belts aren't just accessories, they're tools. They help break up an oversized garment, drawing attention to your waist and maintaining proportion. Think of it like this: even your favorite celebrity can rock an oversized look as long as it's balanced with a structured element. Experiment with layering and accessories until you find the right mix for your body. Mistake 2. Wearing long, unaltered pants. The issue: finding the perfect pair of pants is challenging when many standard sizes are simply too long. This extra fabric often bunches at the ankles, visually shortening your legs and making your overall frame seem even smaller. Why it matters: ill-fitting pants not only feel uncomfortable, but can also throw off the entire proportion of your outfit. The excess fabric at the ankle draws attention downward, disrupting the natural flow of your silhouette. How to fix it? 1. Go for ankle length. Opt for pants that hit just at the ankle. This subtle exposure of skin creates the illusion of longer legs and keeps your look intentional. 2. Explore the petite section. Many brands offer petite collections designed with shorter inseams and proportionally scaled details. These items are engineered to enhance your natural frame. 3. Invest in tailoring. If you have pants that you love but just can't seem to get the length right, consider a quick visit to your local tailor. A hemmed pair of trousers or jeans can be the difference between a sloppy and a sleek outfit. 4. Try cropped styles. Cropped pants or capris are excellent alternatives. They're trendy, comfortable, and they naturally draw the eye upward. Remember, the perfect pant length not only makes your legs look longer, but also contributes to a more harmonious overall look. Mistake 3. Wearing low-rise bottoms. The issue: low-rise jeans or pants can be flattering for some, but for petite frames, they often sit too low on the hips, disrupting the balance of your proportions. This placement can make your legs appear shorter and your waistline less defined. Why it matters: a low-rise fit tends to visually cut off your legs, leaving your frame looking truncated. For those with a petite frame, every inch counts when it comes to creating the illusion of height. How to fix it? 1. Switch to high-waisted styles. High-waisted bottoms are a game changer. They extend your leg line by visually raising your waistline and emphasizing your natural curves. 2. Define your waist. When your waist is clearly defined, your body appears more proportionate. High-waisted styles achieve this while adding a modern twist to your outfit. 3. Pair with the right tops. High-waisted pants work perfectly with crop tops, tucked-in blouses, or even structured shirts. Experiment with different combinations until you find what flatters you best. 4. Opt for nude or skin tone shoes. This small trick, wearing shoes that blend with your skin tone, further elongates your leg line, enhancing the overall effect. High-waisted bottoms not only offer a more flattering look, but also create an opportunity to play with proportions in a fun and fashionable way. Mistake 4. Wearing large prints or heavy patterns. The issue: bold prints and heavy patterns can be eye-catching, but if they're too big, they tend to overwhelm a petite frame. Oversized florals, wide horizontal stripes, and chunky geometric designs can end up making you look smaller and even unbalanced. Why it matters. For petite women, the scale of a print matters. Large, busy patterns can dominate your look and detract from your natural elegance, leaving you looking frumpy rather than chic. How to fix it. 1. Opt for smaller, delicate prints. Choose prints that are scaled down to match your frame. Delicate patterns will add interest without overwhelming your silhouette. 2. Embrace vertical stripes. Vertical stripes are incredibly flattering because they guide the eye upward and downward, creating a natural elongating effect. This simple swap can instantly make you appear taller. 3. Experiment with monochrome looks. If you're hesitant about mixing patterns, try a monochrome outfit with subtle textures. This keeps your look sleek and sophisticated while maintaining visual interest. 4. Mix and match. If you're a pattern lover, consider pairing a pattern top with a solid bottom, or vice versa, to balance the overall look. Small prints and vertical details can transform your outfit from overwhelming to beautifully balanced, perfect for highlighting your best features. Mistake 5. Wearing chunky shoes that cut off the leg line. The issue: footwear is a crucial finishing touch, yet many petite women opt for chunky sneakers, thick platform boots, or shoes with heavy ankle straps that break up the continuity of their leg line. This can inadvertently make your legs look shorter and your overall frame less elongated. Why it matters. The right pair of shoes can either enhance or detract from your entire outfit. When shoes interrupt the natural flow of your leg line, they can create a visual break that makes your legs appear cut off. How to fix it. 1. Choose pointed toe styles. Whether in flats or heels, pointed toe shoes naturally extend your leg line, creating a sleek and elongated look. 2. Select sleek ankle boots. Go for boots that have a minimal design and don't add extra bulk around the ankle. This subtle design choice helps maintain a continuous line. 3. Go for nude or skin-toned footwear. Shoes that match your skin tone create an unbroken line from your leg to your foot, giving the illusion of longer legs. 4. Balance is key. If you love the aesthetic of chunky shoes, try to incorporate them in outfits where they're balanced by other streamlined elements. It's all about keeping your overall silhouette harmonious. Footwear is more than just a functional accessory. It's an essential element of your outfit's overall balance. By choosing shoes that complement your frame, you ensure that every step you take is stylish and elongating. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips that can further refine your petite style. 1. Monochromatic outfits. Wearing one color or shades of the same color can create a seamless look that elongates your figure. 2. Vertical accessories. Think about jewelry or scarves that hang vertically. These little details can add to the illusion of height. 3. Tailored pieces. Investing in a few key tailored items, like a fitted blazer or a well-structured dress, can instantly elevate your look. 4. Proportion play. Don't be afraid to experiment with layers and proportions. Sometimes, a slight tweak in the way you layer your clothing can make a huge difference. By understanding and correcting these common fashion mistakes, you're not only refining your wardrobe, you're embracing your natural proportions and highlighting your best features. I've learned that the right pant length, well-structured pieces, and thoughtful prints can completely change how an outfit comes together. Once you start paying attention to these details, getting dressed becomes effortless and your wardrobe starts working for you instead of against you. Which of these adjustments are you most excited to try out, or do you have any additional tips that work for you? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if this video helped, don't forget to stay tuned for more petite styling tips and fashion advice. Until next time, keep shining and let your style speak volumes.